My name is Syed Mohammad Zishan, and I am from Pakistan, and I reside in the city of Karachi in Pakistan. And I came in Deutschland in 2022 in the month of May. Yeah, and I'm an electronics engineer by profession, and I have been professional life for 7 years, and then I came here for masters in control microsystems microelectronics. I am a PCB design engineer. Like by profession, I'm an engineer, electronic engineer. I used to design printed circuit boards. So in Baker Hughes, I was given a task to design PCBs for the town hall components. So somehow obsolete. So that is why we had to upgrade them. So my task was first to upgrade the PCB, and secondly, I have to work for the upgradation of all the documentations and the ISO certifications. There are some certifications for safety and regulations, which is international. So we have to cope up with them. So my task was a PCB designing and also the upgradation and for the regulations, international, ISO certifications. I got my degree of bachelor's in 2015, and in 2016 I got my first job. It was a job as a technical support engineer. So we have been working on VPNs, cloud services, paying, to of the internet good for all over the globe. I used to provide support for the users of Mac, Linux, and Windows, and Android, and iOS users. So then in 2017, I got a chance to work as a sales engineer. So I worked there for 1 year. So, but in 2018, I got a chance, and it was a brilliant chance for me in my life-changing moment for me. I got a job in an American company called Advantest. An Advantest company works for, you name it, every kind of technological advanced company like Intel or Open Silicon, High Silicon, SanDisk, Western Digital, and Facebook, and Apple, and TSMC, the Taiwan semiconductor manufacturing company. So we used to design the load board and surrogate board or MLO cards for these ATE machines. These machines test the code, so we should design it. And it gave me a career booster. Yeah, I was worried about a lot of things, that because it was the first time I am moving out, like living alone. So I was worried that maybe I will get in some kind of, loneliness, or maybe I cannot hold my economic good, or maybe I will find a job or not, and what kind of environment they have. So actually the system, I was worried about the system, that how could I cope up. But when I came here, so things were very good. And people here in my university helped me a lot, about things. And everything, we just have to tell them, we just have to email them, and they will answer for sure. So I was worried about a lot of things, but in the end, it's good now. In my case, I would say that the number one hurdle was the language. Obviously, I had applied a lot, but if you don't have language command on the German language, so you must have a very good technical knowledge or very massive experience in your own field, and you are an expert in your own field. So I would say it is very difficult. My master's degree is called Control Microsystems Microelectronics. So in the field of electronics, you have a different kind of subfields, or like control electronics, microelectronics, industrial electronics. But in this course, it is like they conclude and they added every kind of essential topics from the field of electronics. It deals with the mechanical and electronic aspects, adding with biology, gives us a good overview that how the designing is working. So if you say my degree is in electronics, then I got good experience in ICs, and this course is offering exactly what is being asked and what is required in the advanced era. Yeah, I would say that I was searching on internet. I was searching on LinkedIn. So I got this job from LinkedIn. My company was Salt and Pepper. Salt and Pepper is a company, is a personnel company, like contracting company. So Salt and Pepper, I contacted them on LinkedIn. And then they say, okay, we are having an interview. The Salt and Pepper hired me for Baker Youth. So I would say I went for LinkedIn and then I got this job.